Hi everybody, welcome to Draw for Initiative. Time for board game art, time for painting. This is Tina, I'm Sarah, and today I am painting, and she gave me a challenge. Which challenge?
I gave you the challenge to make fingerprints for Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Yes, because that is the game Sherlock Holmes Consulting Detectives. It's a game for people that are 13 years and up, 1 to 8 players for about 60 to 120 minutes. And this is one of the fastest paintings I ever made. And you can find out with her, because she hasn't seen it yet, what I came up with for the challenge. And there we are.
Whee!
Yes. Sherlock.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't use any brush, not even for mixing colors.
Oh, you're wearing gloves.
Yes, of course I am.
I was hoping for making your fingers really colorful again.
You know that it soaks into the skin and not onto the paper. I had to make the color go onto the paper instead of my skin.
But it would have looked awesome.
Yeah, but then I would have Sherlock on my hand and not on the paper.
I would have let that count as well. It's just a different canvas.
It's really difficult to then make a print and sell those and stuff. So I thought, well, maybe no. Go for the gloves. But I didn't use brushes for mixing. I was nice there. You said I could and I didn't.
Okay.
I overperformed.
How did you like this challenge?
Fun. It could be that this is not the last time ever. You can. I actually was kind of surprised by how easy it was to finger paint with watercolors.
I find it really exciting to watch you there. Honestly,
Yeah.
I had no idea how you would approach this. I wouldn't have any idea how I would have approached it. So yeah, it's
quite
fun
difficult
to
to make details because while the fingers, I kind of have the sausage fingers, so not very pointy, but well. Oh, that was before hairstyling this morning. Isn't this great? Oh, I have
it's
funny
a piece
hair.
of art on itself. Yeah.
Oh, well, surreal. Oh well, but yeah, that actually works better standing up rather than sitting. Funny thing that I learned.
I was still at your hair. It works better standing.
That too. The antenna, the Bluetooth is stronger if I have antenna on my head in form of funny hair. Yes, true. But yeah, it worked actually really well standing up. You can only have so many details, but you can layer really great. And since you can have quite the thick watercolor, it doesn't really run as much, which I really liked. It almost was like painting with gouache rather than watercolors, and I kind of had the thick watercolor on my hand and then dipped into water and just spread it out on paper. I really liked that. So if you are looking for a style that is maybe not as
common,
super detailed, I'd say.
Yeah.
This is a nice way, and it's really fast. It's faster than if I would have done the same thing with brushes. It would have taken me longer.
Interesting, so interesting.
Yep. I learned something today. Thank you.
I thank you. I'm learning as well.
So yeah, I really liked it. I mean,
how long did it take?
23 minutes. Holy mackerel.
Yeah,
I know. I know.
Amazing.
Like I said, one of the fastest paintings.
Absolutely, I didn't expect it to be so fast.
I didn't expect it either. I thought maybe like an hour or something, because you have to layer and layer and layer. And it's like, it seems that the brush is soaking up way more than a gloved hand does. I'm pretty sure would I not have worn gloves, I would have needed longer for things, because watercolor really soaks into dry skin. And I'm one of those people that has dry skin, so yeah. That was...
And you chose the coup d'attaque?
Yes, because they have bigger pans and I have the sausage fingers.
I was wondering why, but yeah, that's quite the practical reason.
Sausage fingers.
Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Awesome.
So yeah, this is all in all just maybe not the thing you would think to use first. So tool-wise, painting with a hand and not with a brush, and also colors. I thought, well, let's not go with the yellow and the brown only, but have a strong blue in there, because Sherlock Holmes I kind of associate with browns, so dark brown and sepia and stuff. So I thought, well, no, let's make a lot of blue, indigo, green in there and only have a very little Van Dyke brown and yellow ochre. So yeah.
Interesting.
Yep.
So so far I haven't seen the finished painting. We already established that. It looks like you are painting Mr. Holmes himself.
Yes.
A different question. I didn't play the game as well. How did you like it?
I really like it. It's a wonderful RPG puzzle kind of thing that, well, you can play competitive or cooperative.
You played it at date nights, right?
Yeah, we play cooperative. So yeah, we're pretty much investigating cases and try to be faster / smarter than Sherlock Holmes. So that's kind of fun. It's a lot of writing, so
yeah.
Daniel scans through the clues and everything, and I write everything down in mind map, and there's our case with all the hints that we get, and per person that we encounter have a timer there, count everything up and stuff. So yeah, we have to look into our gaming book. This is like double spreads of notes, like wild. It's like, yeah, we're investigating. So
yeah, I really feel like playing another RPG soon.
Yeah, Daniel's currently reading the Numenera.
Yeah,
book,
we were talking about that.
So I expect that we will have another adventure quite soon. Maybe even before Spiel. I don't know if we can be that fast. So yeah.
Yeah, Spiel is coming close.
Yes.
Only another month from now on.
Yes, very true. About a month, and then there's a lot of new games that we can choose from for more paintings.
Maybe you guys have a wish or an idea for us. Let us know.
Yes.
If so,
we
are always open for new ideas.
Yes.
Nice. So really, you're really spending time with the facial details there. That's
just eyebrows and nose.
Oh no, I mean the layering. Therefore, creating details by the layers, which is really interesting to watch. It really works differently when you are with the pencils now.
That too.
Yeah,
same thing. I mean, watercolor pencils, same thing. Totally different than this particular.
And it gets an abstract feeling. I really enjoyed that.
That's what I liked a lot too.
Yes, I think I would really love to see you do more stuff in that way.
Well, I got a whole big box of gloves downstairs in the kitchen, so it might just be.
Even if you run out, I would be happy to provide you with new ones for that.
There's 150 gloves in there. I think
not enough.
I think I'm not having enough chili dishes, so that I have to take a whole lot of them for the kitchen. So I can take some into the studio and paint. But I really just liked it. I mean, this surface is 30 by 40 centimeters, so it's quite big.
Yes.
But I feel you kind of need the bigger surfaces to do that, and not the next smaller one that we have, which is 17 by 24. So I think that would be too small to do something.
Yeah, but you
at least for portrait.
Going with the beige and bluish colors and the green in between is really nice to the eye. Yeah. I enjoy it.
Thank you.
It's awesome.
Oh, guys, I managed. She is fine with the outcome of the challenge.
I had no worries about that, to be honest. I thought I thought this challenge would suit you. Yes.
You know what's funny? I had exactly that tilt of the head and the hat in mind when you said, oh, you have to paint with fingers for that particular game, but I hadn't the whole jacket or coat. I didn't see that in my head. So it's funny how things evolve or, just come together when
just comes to life in a way.
Yeah.
Very much so.
You gotta try this at one point.
I most likely will.
It's really fun.
Maybe in a different project or something. I think I would love to do so.
Yeah, it's really nice. And I mean, the koretakis are very creamy, so I just spritz them with water and took the rather creamy, thick, opaque kind of color to the paper and then spread it out with water there.
And it even looks like you didn't get any paint on your clothing.
No, I did not. Not on the clothing, just on the glove. I was kind of clean. I didn't mess up this time. Sometimes I do, not this time.
But you would have had all the reasons to be messy.
I know. But I thought, well, I'm already in the clothes that I want to have for the intro and stuff. I didn't want to change clothes because I really painted it.
So you just decided to not get dirty.
Yeah,
That's good.
I thought it would be fine to decorate the paper and not myself this time. You gotta change things up. I cannot be...
Amazing.
I mean, here's some acrylics on my pants, but, well, that's usually where I...
That's not from today, is it?
No. I don't own a pair of jeans that has no acrylic paint on it. They all have.
That's like... right now, I think I don't have any trousers without any dog hair on it.
See?
Even after washing, I think it doesn't get away.
It just mingles.
Guys, we had like 5 dogs in the office today. It was just heaven for me. It was really amazing. And one of them is like just some weeks old. She's really, really tiny. And I always had to pick her up in order to not let her out of the office. So yeah, even more dog hair for me. But yeah, I had a small dog nibbling at my ear to just, it was so cute.
Oh. That's how work is fun.
Yes.
Playing with dogs in between. Yeah, that's
awesome. Oh, I really like that you do that particular thing that I don't have a name for. Yes, you could call it that. You could also call it the thing.
Oh yeah, of course. Everything can be named the thing.
Nice.
Yeah,
so cool.
Yeah. That's that. That's Mr. Holmes. Investigating in the streets of London.
So is this the challenge you liked best so far? Since it seems to come really easily to you?
It was an easy one, true. The one that was challenging in the way that I thought, challenging, was the one with the upside down. But this is number 2 because, I seem to still be a little kid and be able to finger paint.
Well,
I don't remember. I know I have some paintings from back when I was a kid that I did it, but I have no memories of ever finger painting. So I must have been really young when I finger painted.
Really? I think I can still remember, but I couldn't say when it was. But I remember having done finger paintings. I think we still did it in class 1.
Okay.
Grade 1 at school.
No, we didn't. Mine was Kinderkrippe and Kindergarten. So Kinderkrippe, by the way, is the thing that you have before kindergarten in Germany if you grew up in Eastern Germany.
I think it was up to 3 years or something.
Yeah, 0 to 3 years.
Yeah.
And I have paintings from that time, but I'm not having any memories. I mean, my earliest memory is 4.5, almost 5 years old, so... Yeah. She was yawning.
I was not.
My story is boring.
Oh yeah, of course, that's the issue here.
It's not the lack of sleep.
Most boring person I know on earth. Jesus Christ.
Oh well, come on. Sometimes I have to make a joke too.
Nah, you're forbidden.
Okay. Okay. I will
never do that again.
What, yawn or joke?
Yeah.
Okay. Both? I don't know.
Oh man. Oh, you didn't put the...
Oh, I did.
You did? It's so strong? Oh, shit.
I mean, that particular paper is very fiber-ish, so it always tears. But I don't mind. You can just go over it and it will be quite smooth again. Thank you. Now, can you believe it's video number 9? So next one's gonna be the season ending video.
No.
Let's have something special.
Oh,
you can see that in 2 weeks. Join us then on this channel. You can talk to us and everything on the social medias that are named in the description box below. We're gonna see you next time on this channel. Bye.